Sign up for a free Gmail account using your phone. Click on Google, type in on the search bar Gmail, sign up. Click on create a Gmail account. Scroll down to create an account. Fill in your first name. I choose Mike. Last name James. Okay, username could be anything. I choose Guyanese sweetman at gmail.com. That can be your email address. Password could be anything. Okay, confirm your email, your password. Okay, I choose my James. Click on next. Okay, you could enter your phone number, but it's optional. You don't have to. Click on the month. I choose March. Click on the date. Put the date when born and the year as well. Then click on gender, male or female, and click next. And this is a private policy. You scroll right down and you click on I agree. Okay, and that's it. Your email has been created. Okay, so that's your new email address. Thank you.